Hi guys, welcome back to Cardz TV. Today we're going to do card number 11 in the 12 Days of Christmas card series for 2018. We'll be using this Paper Studio 8.5 by 11 paper pad called Winter Wonderland. I've had this for a while and it's just a beautiful paper pad. And I've decided to use this cute red gingham for my card. Now this card is pretty quick and easy. It's a clean and simple card. We're going to take one of those 8.5 by 11 pieces of cardstock, and this is white on the back. We're going to put it in the trimmer, and we're going to go ahead and cut it at 4 1/4. Then we're going to take each of these and cut them at 5 1/2. So it's going to be exactly the size of your A2 card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And we're going to cut each of these so that we end up getting 8 cards out of this 8 1/2 by 11 piece of cardstock. So here are my 4 pieces. I'm going to grab a card base and show you what we're going to do next. Okay, I've grabbed a ruler and a pencil, and I'm going to go to the top of this paper, and I'm going to make a little tick mark at the top at 1 1/2. I'll do it pretty dark so I can see it. Then I'm going to come down here to the bottom, and I'm going to make a tick mark at 3. I really need to sharpen my pencil. There we go. Now I'm going to bring my trimmer back. And we're going to line this up at the top. We're going to put that 1 1/2 inch mark in the cutting channel. And then down here we're going to put the 3 inch mark in the cutting channel. Make sure we keep them straight. And then we're going to make that cut. So you can see we come out with these 2 shapes. I'm going to do that to all 4 pieces, and then I'll show you what we do next on our card. For my card base, I cut a piece of white cardstock, and it's 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. I scored it at 4 1/4 and folded and scored that. And that's my white card base. That's an A2 size, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now you can see these aren't exactly the same size, but that's okay. We're just going for this shape. But you could cut a template if you wanted to, and then just cut yours rather than doing it each time with your ruler and your pencil. But I'm going to get this glued to the front of my card. And we have a nice contrast there. And I'll use some art glitter glue. I've got my card base already in my MISTI. And you could go ahead and stamp your sentiment before you put the red piece on. But I wanted to make sure I got it nice and centered. So I went ahead and did it this way. But we're going to use the Cardz TV Christmas Joy stamp set. Okay, I am torn. I don't know if I want to use Warmest Holiday Wishes or Wishing You Happy Christmas Memories, or I could even use Merry Christmas. I think we're going to go with Warmest Holiday Wishes. So we'll go ahead and take that off, get it on our MISTI, and get this one stamped. Go ahead and pick up our stamp, and I'm going to ink it up with some Memento Tuxedo Black. You know, that's my favorite. There we go. Came out really nice. For my image, I wanted to use this adorable little tree with a little red bird on top, a little cardinal, and you'll find that in the Give A Hoot cartridge on page 33, and I cut this at 3 inches. This is your bottom layer, which would be brown. This would be green, and then your bird has 2 layers, because he has a darker wing and a lighter body. And that's under layer. And you can cut this as well if you have the Cricut Explorer or the Maker. And here is my cute little tree. As I said, cut at 3 inches. I've got this on some foam tape, and I'm just going to add it to the front right there. And that is my clean and simple, quick little Christmas card. This is card number 11 in the 12 Days of Christmas Card series, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm debating on whether to add some enamel dots. You may be some of my favorite, those gold glittery ones. And if I do, you'll see that in the photo at the end. But there you have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've got your Christmas cards done and in the mail. I don't. So that's why I'm trying to come up with something quick, simple, but cute. So there we go. Thanks for stopping by today, guys. Have an awesome day, and I will see you again soon with card number 12. Bye now.